Am I audible? Yeah. Hi, good afternoon, everybody. मैं जानता हूँ सबको बहुत भूख लगी होगी. I won't take much of your time. I am Amit. I basically represent Salesforce in India. Uh, this is our forward-looking statement, a mandatory thing to be shown for the public general. So this is a thank you slide. It was not that it by mistake it come to the front, but it is because we always thank our community, our trailheads who has been helping us a lot during so many years in India. So Salesforce India has been now headed by Arundhati ma'am, who is veteran in when you speak about banking. She was the chairman of SBI for a long time, and after that she joined Salesforce with a huge growth. When you can see, when I joined Salesforce, it was 6,000 employees. Now it has moved to around 12,000 employees in India, with offices in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Gurgaon, Mumbai, and Pune, and Jaipur as well. Salesforce economy has grown from 1.3 million directly, and to be from it will be grow to 1.3 million in 2026, and generating revenue of 66.4 million. When we speak about giving back to the society, it is like we have 4,700 volunteers working hours around the clock in India. It is 24 years old company with 17 million trailblazers, 1,70,000 employee globally, 12,000 in India, which I said. You can see the architecture, how it goes and how it scales. The core value of Salesforce is trust, customer success, innovation, equality, and sustainability. Trust, we highly emphasize on trust, as this is the basic which we go when we talk about cloud and data. Trust is most important, and this has been for years with Salesforce. With regulatory affairs, I must say we are incumbent with many of the state as well as national agencies. With NASSCOM, FICCI as well, we are trying to much grow our footprints in India. When we speak about Salesforce Customer 360 or Citizen 360, it is how we basically mend the SaaS on the citizen-centric dashboards, citizen-centric services. So we talk about Hyperforce, single source of truth that comes around data streams, segments, and privacy. Intelligence is through which we always say AI ML. It's automation, workflow, personalizations, and low-code, no-code solutions. This is a very interesting slide. If you see what Salesforce does, आज के दिन में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, जैसे बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि स्कीम्स कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की जाए, वर्कफ्लोज क्या होने चाहिए. वी हैव रेडीमेड सॉल्यूशन फॉर बेनिफिट्स मैनेजमेंट, केस मैनेजमेंट, ग्रांट्स मैनेजमेंट. आज के दिन में एक बहुत फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग स्टेट है एंड वेरी नियर टू यूपी ऑल्सो, जिन्होंने कहा है कि हमें इस तरह का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाहिए कि अगर कोई आदमी, अगर कोई बुजुर्ग 60 ईयर्स क्रॉस करते हैं, उसको ऑटोमेटिकली स्कीम्स, उनके हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस स्कीम्स उसको पता चलें कि क्या है. एक तो उसके प्रोपोगेशन और उसके अंदर वो एनरोल्ड हो जाए. इन सब चीज़ों को आज मैनुअली किया जाता है. हाउ कुड वी डू दैट? दिस इज डन थ्रू सिंगली थ्रू, इट कुड बी डन थ्रू Salesforce वेरी इजीली. इसके अंदर ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं, इट्स ऑल ऑन द ऐप इटसेल्फ. This is a pre-built. Again, going forward, it's basically we have millions of customers on automotive, engineering, non-profit organizations, public sector primarily. So when we speak about, when we go left to right, the Hyperforce which comes around, which is on AWS in India, it is located in India. It is integrated through MuleSoft, taking it onto the data cloud for all the data harmonization part. When we say कि अगर कहीं पे श्रीनिवास का नाम श्रीनिवास लिखा हुआ है, या श्रीनिवास, एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, आप कैसे डिटेक्ट कर पाओगे? उसके घर का एड्रेस अगर सेम है तो कैसे डिटेक्ट कर पाओगे? वो डेटा हार्मोनाइजेशन का काम इस डेटा लेक हाउस, डेटा क्लाउड में होता है. उसके बाद जब आपकी सारी सर्विसेज रन करती हैं, देन यू हैव एनालिटिक्स, यू हैव अदर मोर सर्विसेज टू रन. दैट कम्स अंडर सिटीजन सेंट्रिक सर्विसेज, which is all. Basically what I want to cover is that everything need not to be integrated from multiple sources, it is under one ecosystem. सो अगर मैं बात करूं कि इंटीग्रेशन लेयर एक नीचे आ जाती है, उसके ऊपर 360 डिग्री आ जाता है, प्लेटफॉर्म के टूल किट्स आपके सारी चीज़ें हैं, वे रिलेशनशिप डेटा मॉडलिंग सारी काम होते हैं. देयर आर प्री बिल्ट एप्स फॉर पब्लिक सेक्टर इन इंडिया विच हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड लास्ट ईयर, and this is how we take Scheme 360 and Citizen 360 to the next level. This is our growth trajectory over the years now, 2024. We are practically working. Most of them are Tableau customers. That is, it's basically analytics. GSTN is one of the most prestigious customer for us, where the circular trading and everything is been done on Salesforce. Whether you speak about Indian Army, Indian Air Force, states, Karnataka, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, is completely on Salesforce. With PSUs, we have been coming up with more of the PSUs under our umbrella. Presently, we have Bharat Petroleum, SAIL, GAIL, GUVNL under our radar. And thank you so much. I won't take you much time. Thank you once again. Yeah.
Sir, I request you to please kindly be here, and I request Ms. Tanya Tikku observe now. I request you to please kindly felicitate, sir.